Okay, so come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is 99. So multiple of 3, suppose the number is 1, then multiples of 3. So at first all of you know multiples of 3 is what? 3 into 1, this is 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, like 9. That means the difference between the multiples of 3 are always 3. Okay. So serial consecutive 3 multiples will be what? Suppose first one is 3x. Second one will be what? 3x plus 3. And third one will be what? 3x plus 6. Because you can write 3, 6, you can write 3 plus 3, 9, you can write 3 plus 6, like this. Okay. So the three consecutive multiples of 3 are, suppose first one is 3x, next one is 3x plus 3, and the last one is 3x plus 6. Okay. So just write let the three consecutive multiples of 3 be 3x plus 3. Don't write 3x plus 1, then it will be wrong. Okay. So 3x plus 3 and 3x plus 6. Okay. So according to question, it is given that sum of the three consecutive multiples, that means sum of these three numbers is equal to what? 99. So 3x plus 3x plus 3 plus 3x plus 6, which is 99. Okay. 3x plus 3x, 6x plus 3x, 9x, plus this 3 plus 6 becomes 9, and 99 remain same. So now 9 goes to that right side. It becomes 99 minus 9. So 9x is equal to what? 90. That means x equal to what? 90 divided by 9. That means x equal to 10. The value of x is 10. Okay. So therefore the required multiples of 3 are, so first one is what? 3x. I'm writing above here. 3x, that means 3 into 10, it becomes 30. Second is what? 3x plus 3, that means 3 into 10 plus 3, so 30 plus 3, 33. Next one is what? 3x plus 6. We are taken like this, that is why we have to write like this. So 3 into 10 plus 6 becomes 36. So the the consecutive multiples of 3 are 30, 33, 36, and if we add them, then you will get 99. Okay. So now come to the question number 8. Question number 8 is very important, and this type of question you have to solve in class 10 also. So the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Okay. One condition is given, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Second condition is if numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So there are two conditions given, and using that two conditions you will find the fraction. So at first all of you know, suppose the fraction is like this, then suppose the fraction is like this, a by b, then this part is known as numerator and this part is known as denominator. Okay. So at first we have to use the first condition, which is given the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is 10, denominator will be 18. If the numerator is 5, denominator will be 13, like this. That is, this is 8 greater than this. If the numerator is 2, denominator will be what? 10, like this. Okay. So in this case, numerator is smaller than denominator. So that is why we take the smaller one as x. Okay. So let the numerator of the fraction be x. Okay. So therefore its denominator will be, so therefore its denominator, no need to write this one again, that given that denominator is 8 more than the numerator, then you have to write 2 to 3 more conditions. Okay. Only write the second condition according to question. Okay. So its denominator, that is how we write therefore here, will be, and conditions comes from the question, will be x plus 8. Why? Because it is given that the denominator is 8 more than the numerator. So therefore the fraction is, so you can write the fraction is x divided by x plus 8. This is the fraction. Okay. Now we use the second condition, and second condition you can write the condition, or if you write directly according to question, directly expression, then it will also correct. And if you want to write the statement, then you can. Okay. So if numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, numerator is increased by 17. Increase means what? You have to add 17, and decrease, that means you have to subtract. So you just write according to question. Numerator is what? X, which is increased by 17, x plus 17, and denominator is what? X plus 1. So x plus 8, denominator was x plus 8, which should be decreased by 1, that means minus 1. Then it becomes what? 3 by 2. Obtained number is 3 by 2. Okay. So now you can easily find the value of x. So numerator remains same, x plus 17, and this one is 8 minus 1, 7. So x plus 7, and this one is 3 by 2. Now we have to do that cross multiplication. So 2 whole into x plus 17, 2 into cross multiplication, x plus 17 into 2 number. We have number, that is why we write number in front of the bracket. Okay, again it is 3 into x plus 3 whole into x plus 7. Don't forget to give the brackets. If you not give the brackets, then 2 will multiply only with x, not with 17. Okay, whole into means 2 is multiplied both x and 17. So now you have to remove the bracket. 2 into x becomes 2x plus 2 into 17 becomes 34. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 7 becomes 21. Okay. So now suppose you can carry 2x to that side, or you can take 3x to this side also. So suppose 2x remains, and if you take 3x here, to minus 3x, and let's say 21 remains same, and 34 goes to that side, it becomes minus. Okay, so 2x minus 3x becomes minus x, and 21 minus 13 becomes minus 13. That means x is equal to 13. Minus minus you can cancel. No need to give the cancellation symbol here. Directly you can omit. Okay, x equal to 13. That means the numerator is 13 and denominator is 13 plus 13. So find the rational number. So therefore you can write, so therefore numerator. Okay, sorry, one thing, in case we write therefore, previously we write therefore fraction is x divided by x plus 8. In this case you can write therefore the rational number is x by x plus 8, because in this case they are actually mentioning the rational number. Okay, therefore numerator is what? X, that means 13, and denominator is what? 13 plus x plus 8, that means 13 plus 8 becomes 21. So therefore required rational number, rational number is 13 by 21. Okay, so now you can check the answer is correct or wrong. What they are asking, if you add 17 to the numerator, 13 plus 17, and if you subtract 1 from the denominator, 21 minus 1, 13 plus 17 becomes 30, this one becomes 20, 0 cancels, so 3 by 2, obtain 3 by 2, so our answer is correct. Okay.